morning, YouTube. 2017 Chevy Cruze with a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the spark plugs on this today. We're doing them because of the mileage interval. I think it's 120K on this one. Just check with your manufacturer. And also I'm going to show you how to replace the MAF sensor, your mass airflow sensor, because it's setting a circuit range performance code on that, P01101. I already got all the parts. I'm going to do the video. I'm going to do this video replacing both of them, so it's kind of a 2-for-1 special. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing we do is get this cover out of our way. 10 millimeter. Take your oil cap off. Just pull up on it. It's got a little grommet right here that goes over that stud. Now we're going to take all 4 of your 10 millimeter bolts out on the coil. And we should be able to pull all these out without unplugging the plugs. Boom. Now GM decided to do like everybody else is doing and go to a 14 millimeter style plug or a 9/16 as well. Now, these plugs sit at kind of an angle, as you can see. My extension keeps falling off my gun. I need a new hog ring. And the rubber is missing in that socket, so we're going to extract them with Mr. Magnet here. They're pretty black. Now these are pre-gapped. Just make sure you check the tips so they can get bent. Just kind of set them down in there. Or if your spark plug socket still has the rubber in it, which mine never do because I do a lot of tune-ups and they just wear out. These are long, a lot of threads. Switch hands off, I'm getting tired. Alright, now I'm going to snug them down. I'm going to ratchet. Add a little more extension. Just when they bottom out, another quarter turn. Alright. the little ear right there that butts up against that on the valve cover right there. So that's how you line them up. Alright. I'm not going to put my cover back on yet. Make sure it's running right. We're going to go ahead and change this MAP sensor as well. Alright, now you're going to need a T25, Torx 25. Pull up on that red clip, locking clip. Push your tab down. Wiggle it, get it out. Plug her back in. Now, when I end this video, I'm going to wrap this up with some electrical tape so the wires don't chafe on anything. They're not yet, but they will eventually. So I'll do that after the video's done. So let's start her up, make sure she's running smooth. Feels good to me. I just got to reset that check engine light. And we'll go ahead and do that while we're on camera. Why not? Let me go get my scan tool. Might as well give y'all the full experience. Nobody's actually bothered me yet doing this video. Now that I said something. Try to get this video in early while everybody's still half asleep. It's like 7:30 in the morning right now. Connector's right there, convenient. Let's roll this window up so we hear no outside noise. Turn these lights off. All right. Do its thing here. See if we can clear it with it running. Sometimes you can. Yep, it let me. Let's look at our fuel trim data. So we're at 18%, which is high, but it's got to readjust now that we put that sensor in. The long term is going to take a while to adjust. So we just need to drive this thing to get this stuff to come down here. So anyways, I'm going to end this video. It's already dropped a couple points. And I'll continue to learn until it gets to zero. Or near zero is where you want it to be at. So anyways, I hope you liked this video. I hope you all found it informative. Y'all have a good day. Have a happy 4th of July. Stay humble. Stay safe. Y'all subscribe, like. Peace out, YouTube.